Welcome back. Today we will cover step 2 of the process of cleaning a bathroom. To review, in step 1 there are 2 actions. First, you bring your supplies caddy, your long duster, your vacuum cleaner, and your apron if it's not on, and place them just outside the bathroom door. Second, you gather the trash can and the rugs and you place them next to the supplies just outside the bathroom door. Step 2 is lawn dusting. Again, simple enough, but oftentimes poorly executed because no one has thought through the process to perform this task as fast as possible, yet touching everything as you go. Because no one has figured this out, lawn dusting is oftentimes not performed at every single home if they're a repeat client. And I believe in my heart that is the reason why they oftentimes are no longer a repeat client. If you remember, when you completed step 1, you were at the door, so grab your lawn duster and step back just inside the door. Colored circles will show you where to start and the route to follow. I've also added colored lines and arrows to show you in what direction to move your lawn duster. The round circle above number 1 shows you where to put the duster head. In the middle where the wall meets the ceiling by the door. You will always begin at this point closest to the door. In a small bathroom, you might not even need to take a step and still lawn dust the entire bath. Just spin around, dust the full top first and then all the baseboards and under the cabinets. If that is not possible, like the simulation bathroom, you will dust everything on the top as far as you can reach to the left and then to the right before moving. You will dust the bottom as far as you can reach. Now you can move, left or right, whichever you prefer. Just remember, before moving, you must dust everything as far as you can reach. Now you can move and step to your next corner, which is circle number 3. It is directly where you ended on the bottom, so it is easy and quick to move. Follow the arrows and go to the corner and continue to the right to the middle of the wall and ceiling. Drop down to circle 4 and clean the baseboards under the counter overhang and continue with baseboards until you reach the spot you completed in circle 2. Go to the next corner and do exactly the same thing. You just need to be sure to clean any air vents or lights as you pass them that you cannot reach with your hand short duster. So, to review. Step 1, 2 actions. First, bring your supplies, caddy, your long duster, your vacuum cleaner, and your apron if it is not on, and place them just outside the bathroom door. Second, gather the trash can and rugs and place them next to your supplies caddy just outside the door. Step 2, grab your long duster, step back into the bathroom, and start at the door. See you tomorrow for step 3, which is vacuuming. Again, if you cannot wait until tomorrow to watch step 3, go to www.housecleanerstraining.com and order a 5-day free trial. Also, if you'd like to study this lawn dusting a little bit more and look at how we include the vents and the windows going back and forth and not taking a step, order the 5-day free trial and watch process 2 of dusting. We do a lot more detail when that's the major focus. Again, see you tomorrow and have a wonderful day.